This person coming in is your soulmate, and you're going to be in a relationship by June the 19th to be exact. When you meet them, you will feel like you have met them before. You'll feel like you've known them forever. This isn't somebody who will be love bombing you. It will be a connection that's past life. You will have similarities. You may share the same birthday or significant dates. You will literally feel like this person has been missing your whole life. And when you meet them, you will feel that this is what has been missing. You didn't make it work in your last life, and you've always felt like someone is missing. You have felt their presence not being there. You've even dreamt about them, and you've woke up with that feeling of, where are they? I'm seeing brown hair, green eyes. I'm seeing sipping by the pool, drinking champagne. I'm seeing someone who owns their own business, and someone who actually will probably want to go into business with you. There's a strong sense of that coming through. I feel like you're going to both be entrepreneurs into something new, something fresh. I'm getting strong earth signs and strong air signs. This person, just like you, has been on a healing journey. 7 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. Now, it could very well be that actually this person is already around you. It could be that you've met them already, or that they are seeing you from a distance and they're waiting to approach you. This person is going to chase you in this connection. There's not going to be any games. There's going to be nothing like that. They're literally waiting to get to know you and waiting to get to make that move. And when they do, it's going to happen very quickly. This person is very stable energy. They're very kind. They're very wealthy. They're abundant. And they're only going to add to your life. In this relationship, you are going to feel, probably for one of the first times in your life, really seen, really valued, really heard. Okay, so this person is going to bring the absolute best out in you, and that's why they're your soulmate. There's not going to be any issues with this. There's no exes involved. There's no friends that are going to cause drama or problems. Their friends want them to be with you. Their family want them to be with you. And this is such a good fit for you that it just melts into your life lovely. You don't have to make any changes. You don't have to change your routine, your behaviors, anything like that. You just melt into each other's lives, and you just fit each other's lives so very, very well. This person is all about security and stability, moving forward. You will bring that to their life, and they will bring that to your life, and you're going to be very strong together. I feel like you may have been Googling angel numbers, or you've been seeing angel numbers, or lots of synchronicities from the universe. For some of you, birds and butterflies are a big thing here. You feel like that's your spirit guides. I want you to know that you have been seeing those things because the universe is speaking to you, because the universe wants you to know your soulmate is coming.